All right, more updates on this story coming in. Let's cut across to that. After the India Today report now, on the Delhi water menace, Delhi government seems to have swung into action. In the Kumar Singh colony case, BJP is saying that foul smell in water due to old pipelines and pipelines in the locality will be changed soon. This is what the BJP leader had to say. Let's listen in.
आपने अगर रियलिटी चेक किया कई इलाकों में हो सकता है होगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि दिल्ली की सरकार पूरी तरह सजग है और यकीन मानिए, और मैं यकीन दिलवाता हूँ आपके चैनल के माध्यम से दिल्ली की जनता को, इंदौर जैसी घटना बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल यहाँ नहीं है और होगी भी नहीं, क्योंकि दिल्ली की सरकार पूरी तरह सजग है। लेकिन पिछले कई सरकारों ने इस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया था, और जैसे आपको मालूम है कि हम सीवेज का और इसका हम मास्टर प्लान भी लेके आ रहे हैं, और ऐसा हम लोग पूरी तरह सजग हैं, दिल्ली की सरकार पूरी तरह सजग है और निश्चित तौर के ऊपर पुरानी लाइनें ऑलरेडी बदली जा रही हैं और बदले की शुरुआत काफी हद तक हो चुकी है।
All right, let's see if we have Shreya again, because I hope she could also hear that reaction that is coming from the Delhi government. Harish Khurana there, the MLA, making that response. But Shreya, am I right to understand that these water pipelines are strictly under the Jal board, but the sewage mixing, etc., all of that has to be coordinated with the MLC, not the MLA? Is that correct?
Well, absolutely. That's exactly what needs to be done. And, if you see, there are paperworks that are actually put in record, because Delhi Jal Board said that, intensify checkings. We should check in areas where the sewer lines are closed. What Mr. Harish Khurana is saying doesn't translate on the ground. The reason so, because our urban planning is massively lacking on the ground. We cannot have Delhi Jal Board work independently, not talking with the gas line department. When the gas line is laying their pipe, they need to check it with the Delhi Jal Board where the Delhi Jal Board pipeline is. When these works do not happen together and then there is a breakage in the pipeline, sewage water gets mixed. It's not an old story. It's an everyday issue, and it's across the national capital. So what Mr. Khurana has said, I don't completely agree on the ground, because please visit on the ground. The situation is completely different. We're not talking or a 2-day incident. For months, people are being forced to drink this kind of water.
The operative part here, Shreya, is also the fact that here it is not an Aam Aadmi Party versus BJP competition or a political, tu-tu me going on, or a constant, how they used to fight on every freaking issue. It's not that. This is both BJP-empowered bodies which are now not talking to each other. For me, that's the operative part. But let's listen into what Mr. Khurana said one more time.
आपने अगर रियलिटी चेक किया कई इलाकों में हो सकता है होगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि दिल्ली की सरकार पूरी तरह सजग है और यकीन मानिए, और मैं यकीन दिलवाता हूँ आपके चैनल के माध्यम से दिल्ली की जनता को, इंदौर जैसी घटना बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल यहाँ नहीं है और होगी भी नहीं, क्योंकि दिल्ली की सरकार पूरी तरह सजग है। लेकिन पिछले कई सरकारों ने इस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया था, और जैसे आपको मालूम है कि हम सीवेज का और इसका हम मास्टर प्लान भी लेके आ रहे हैं, और ऐसा हम लोग पूरी तरह सजग हैं, दिल्ली की सरकार पूरी तरह सजग है और निश्चित तौर के ऊपर पुरानी लाइनें ऑलरेडी बदली जा रही हैं और बदले की शुरुआत काफी हद तक हो चुकी है।
Right, Delhi government over there, the MLA saying that they are on top of the situation. Doesn't look like that's quite the case on the ground. But like we said, this is part one of the investigation and a reality check that we brought to you from West Delhi. Tomorrow will be part two, where we'll again do the same drill. We'll go check the quality of water on the ground, speak to the residents, understand their concern, and we'll connect that to the local MLA and MLC and get their reaction if they are agreeing to acknowledge the problem at all. And this, friends, is what we really need to do on a day-to-day basis. That's what it's come down to. It's fight for basics here in the country, even in the national capital, so to say, for water, for air, for basic meds as well. That's the fight that we are in at the moment.